The journey to Bobbi's at Parkside, and it could be a long one, but I'll start at the beginning. Always have had love and fascination with fashion, school, clothing and textiles, fashion merchandising, and then I promptly got hired by an airline where I spent 39 years and absolutely loved that career. So somewhere along the way in there, I passed by the pearl markets in Shanghai and Beijing and found my second love, which was pearls. I used to bring vintage pieces with me to the markets, and I had some artisans there that would make some really cool creations for me, and really just for myself. But I'd come home, I'd wear it, and people would say, "Oh my gosh, I love that, can you make that for me?" And so that is really how it started. And that was at least 25 years ago. So it just, one thing led to another, and I started doing trunk shows. And at that time, that sort of thing was really popular. We did some in my home, I did some, in other people's homes. And then at one point, my husband was like, "Okay, you gotta get this stuff out of the house because it's overtaken us." And I was actually in Cocoa Village looking for someone to do my website, and there was a small space next door to him that was available for rent. And honestly, I had really not thought about doing a retail space until that moment. And the rent was very, very affordable. So we went for it. We were on the second story of a historic building, and you had to climb up quite a staircase to get up to the shop. And there were a lot of people in the village that said, "Oh, she's never gonna make it." I give her 6 months, and here we are 14 years later, and we are in this space, which is my forever home. We moved 3 times along the way. Started off specifically with jewelry, and each time we moved, we added a little bit more product. We went into the clothing, accessories, and now we carry a nice selection of local art from other artisans. And we're in a 1,400 square foot space, and we absolutely love it. Ooh, there's a bug in it.
Okay.
I think that has to be.